This is a push button pin locking clamp which has a floating locking knob inside here. You want to loosen the knob. This will allow it to fall over the side rail of the drape. You want to open the jaws by pushing the push buttons, and that allows the jaws to open up. You now want to go ahead, and when you look at the base plate, these are friction loaded pins that will drop down into the clamp. So when you push the clamp onto the table, you know roughly where it's going to be. You lock the lower jaw, you rotate the pin base so that it'll fall into until they are locked down. Now when you lock the knob to the side rail, it also locks the pins to the clamp. So you got the clamp locked to the side rail, you got the pins locked into the clamp. That eliminates any lifting that possibly may occur when you're going through ranges of motion from the base plate. The advantage of that is that there are times when the surgeon may want to lift up on the knee, and if these pins were not locked, the entire knee positioner would lift. So that's a real important feature, and we created a pin locking clamp as well as a side rail locking clamp.